Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Satya. Hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video I will be sharing my best moisturizers for oily and acne prone skin. So I have totally 7 moisturizers with me that I have been using almost more than 6 months, and I really like all those moisturizers. So if you wanna see what are those, do continue watching, and if you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe. Now without any further delay, let's get started. The first moisturizer I have is this one. It's the Simple Rich Replenishing Moisturizer. If you are a person who knows me, this is the one I was using a lot. Guys, this is I think 3rd or 4th bottle. I just can't rave about this moisturizer. Such an amazing moisturizer, guys. It just moisturizes your skin like anything. So I have recommended to my bhabhi and my cousin. Everyone are started using this moisturizer. Such an amazing moisturizer. So this is a non-comedogenic product. It doesn't give any kind of greasiness or oiliness. So this moisturizer is very well, and this is not super creamy or not super jelly. It's in between. So this just blends into your skin perfectly and gives a super moisturizing effect whole the day. So you don't have to reapply your moisturizer at all. This one itself, just one time use is enough. The whole 24 hours this will moisturize your skin, and not only for oily skin, guys, but if you're a dry skin also, definitely you can go with this moisturizer. If you're following me on my Instagram or YouTube, you might have seen me using all the time these moisturizers. Now I started using different one because I have used a lot of this. So I really recommend this moisturizer, guys. This one is non-comedogenic product, and it doesn't contain any kind of artificial perfume or color, no harsh chemicals, no parabens, no animal derived ingredients, or no alcohol. So a must good moisturizer, guys. If you are looking for a moisturizer for oily and acne prone skin, then this is the one you need to try. So I'm gonna show you the texture a little bit. So as you can see, this is not super creamy, not super thick, and this one blends beautifully into the skin. As you can see, it is just blending like anything and gives that super matte finish to your skin. A perfect moisturizer for oily and acne prone skin, guys. It gives a super moisturization, as I said. So the next moisturizer I have is this one. Is the Plum Green Tea Mattifying Moisturizer. As the name suggests, it's a completely mattifying moisturizer. It almost like a water in consistency, not like super watery, and it's a mix of gel and water kind of a consistency. It just blends into the skin perfectly and gives a super mattifying effect throughout the day. And for especially for oily skin girls, this doesn't give any kind of greasiness or oiliness, and it is a non-comedogenic product, and also it contains green tea, which just prevents you from getting pimples. So it's a perfect moisturizer for oily skin girls. And also this is my 4th bottle, I think, and I'm gonna show you the consistency. As you can see, it's a liquid in consistency, and not liquidy and not jelly also. So when you massage, it feels like jelly, and when you take, it's like a watery. So as you can see, it just blends beautifully and leaves a super mattifying effect. So underneath the makeup, this would be a perfect moisturizer for someone who is looking for everyday moisturizer. This one is the one you need to go, guys. A perfect moisturizer, and smells really good. And also this product doesn't contain any kind of parabens, chemicals, or any kind of alcohol, anything. And this one is a non-comedogenic and matte finish. Definitely you have to try, guys. And this particularly Plum's green tea range is best for oily skin and acne prone skin girls. You definitely you have to try this one. The next moisturizer I have is this one. It's the Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer. Guys, I'm super impressed with this moisturizer. When I initially started using this, I did not like. I don't know why I didn't like that. After started using like every day, I have been loving this moisturizer, and it's a really good drugstore moisturizer if you're looking for oily and acne prone skin. And this is, as you can see, it's a very jelly kind of a texture, and as you can see, I'm gonna apply this on my hand. So as you can see, it's a jelly moisturizer, leaves super matte your skin, and underneath makeup, it just done its amazing job. Whenever I do a full flawless makeup, I really want a flawless skin, then I go with this moisturizer. As you can see, it just blends beautifully into the skin, and this is very affordable, and you get everywhere this moisturizer, online, offline, wherever you can see, you can find this moisturizer. A budget friendly moisturizer, and it's a non-sticky formula. It contains hyaluronic acid, so which actually good for hydration, and it also contains vitamin E, so it's a both skincare benefit and moisturizing effect. So must try moisturizer, and as you can see, it's completely dry and it's non-sticky formula. A must try moisturizer in a budget. As we are talking about a gel moisturizer, the another one with the same formula I have is this one. This is the L'Oreal Paris Hydra Fresh Anti-Shine Gel Moisturizer. This also has the same consistency, but this is more mattifier than the Pond's one. So as you can see, it is also in a gel form. So when you apply, it feels same, but it has a super mattifying effect than Pond's. Both of them is really nice, and it has that ocean smell. So as you can see, it just blends into the skin and gives a super mattifying effect. As the name says that it is an anti-shine, yes, perfectly anti-shine moisturizer. And whenever I put this moisturizer underneath my makeup, I can see a good flawless finish it gives me. And for moisturizer also, it acts supremely nice, guys. I did not see any kind of problem with this moisturizer. After applying my serum, my sunscreen, also I did not feel any kind of pimple problem or acne problem. A really a good moisturizer. So if you are a dry skin also, I think you can definitely try, because it has a super hydrating feel. So this gonna give you such a super hydrating effect. A must try moisturizer, guys. So the next moisturizer I have is from Dot & Key. This is the matte finish moisturizer in serum. So as the name suggests, moisturizer in serum, it is like a serum kind of a consistency, not like a super matte moisturizing consistency. It's like a creamy, liquidy creamy in consistency. As you can see, it comes with a pimp, and the smells really nice, guys. It smells like a lavender, and as you can see, this one you can't take like that, you have to take like this, because it's like water creamy in texture. So this is what it looks like. So it just blends into the skin perfectly and leaves a super mattifying finish. So as you can see, once I started blending this moisturizer into my skin, it just immediately sinks into my skin, leaves that super mattifying finish, guys. I started using different moisturizers with the different skincare products, and definitely it started working. So whenever I do my daytime routine, I started using this moisturizer to test, and I really was impressed. And this is contains a green tea tree, so which also helps in combating your acne. So if you're acne and olive prone skin, then this would be a nice moisturizer to try on. So the last moisturizer I have is this one's the Nutriderm moisturizing lotion, which contains vitamin E as its main ingredient. So I was testing this product with different skincare products, and this one really helped me to combat my acne. So whenever I do my daytime routine, I just started applying this, and I really like this, guys. This is a little bit creamy in texture when compared to all the other moisturizers which I showed you. So this is what the texture looks like, and as you can see, this also gives a super moisturizing effect, and it has a little bit of shininess. It's not greasiness, it's just shininess. So there is a difference between greasiness and shininess. So this gives a little bit of shine, as you can see, a very tad bit shininess, but it actually moisturizes your skin like anything. And also this contains vitamin E, which actually helps in your fine lines, wrinkles, or any other problem you have. Then definitely you can try. I would highly recommend for dry skin girls also to try this moisturizer, because it has a super hydrating effect, which gives you super hydration throughout the day. And also this product you can use it for all skin type, which is mentioned here. So definitely you can try, but this is little bit pricier when compared to all other moisturizers which I showed you today. If you're okay to spend little bit money, then you can definitely try this one. So the last product I want to share, this is not a moisturizer, but I started using as this moisturizer. This is the Lakme 95 Natural Aloe Vera Gel. So I use this product to test as a moisturizer, and I was super impressed impressed with the formula, guys. So this gives a super mattifying effect, and as you can see, it's a jelly in texture, so it looks like a jelly and a watery kind of a thing. It's, as you can see, it's a colorless, and when I apply this and blend into my skin, and actually gives a super moisturizing and mattifying effect underneath my foundation. So it just gives a super hydration, everything, and aloe vera is really good source for acne and oily skin girls, guys. So definitely you can try this as a moisturizer, a must try product. So right now my hands are fully moisturized. Like I have applied all the moisturizers in my hand, and my hands are super mattified and moisturized. As you can see, you can't see any kind of creasiness or oiliness in my hand. So I just mixed all my moisturizers in my hand, and you don't see any kind of oiliness at all. So a must try moisturizers in budget friendly. So the only moisturizer which is costly is this one, except that you can find a good drugstore moisturizers, guys. Hope you like this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and I'm gonna leave all the moisturizers name, link, everything in the description box, so please do check that out. And if you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.